What if the sun sneezed?
What?
Yes, sneezed. Bear with me. The sun actually does sneeze. Scientists just call it a coronal mass ejection. Sounds fancy. It's basically the sun blasting a giant cloud of plasma and radiation straight into space. Now imagine that sneeze aimed directly at Earth. No time to prepare. Just the sun going at you at 10 million kilometers per hour directly at our faces. First, every satellite on Earth fries instantly. No internet, no Wi-Fi. Your phone is now just an expensive brick. Then the power grids go down. Every single one. Simultaneously. No electricity. Anywhere. On the entire planet. Suddenly that 1% phone battery you've been ignoring all day, most valuable thing on Earth. Then the radiation hits. Auroras light up the entire sky globally, not just near the poles. Everywhere. Breathtaking. Beautiful. Like nature's final apology before finishing us off. The sun didn't launch a missile. Didn't declare war. It just sneezed and wiped out modern civilization without even saying, "Excuse me."